Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sad Boy Garage. Another week, another episode, even though it's been like 3 weeks and I'm fucking lying. So, today we're working on that boy over there. If you guys don't know, that's that car that I promised that I was going to do weekly updates on, and I didn't. So, you get what you get. But, it's out here, and we're doing this because this week we're installing the Izze AirPump Delete. So, the thing about this is, if you have any S2000 from 00 to 05, you have the secondary air pump. This thing causes a check engine light like literally all the time because it's so easy to fuck up something in the system, causing it to basically give you the code. So for me, I have to smog this thing, and my smog shop won't pass me if I have a check engine light on. What that does over there is basically simulate the pump is running, quote unquote, even though all it does is heat up the exhaust system. So I mean, you could just let that thing get up to room temp anyways. This will make it look like, hey, this thing actually works. Cool, no check engine light, you're good to go. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to install this because nobody has really given us a video on how it's installed, or not a clear one at least. Okay, so step number one is you're gonna wanna go ahead and get your scanner, put it in down there. It's on the corner. You'll find it's like right down here basically. If I can get to it. There we go. Leave your car on an accessory mode, and sorry for that, but leave it in an accessory mode, and then what you're gonna want to do is delete the code. So mine's gonna pop in a second right now, and I'm just gonna delete it. Start the car one more time, make sure the code's gone, and then from that I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. So boom. Let's see what we got. Shoot, come on. There we go. Air idle control failure, yep. So what do we get next? Let's see. Emissions related. I'm just gonna delete all this one time. Even though this one's probably gonna keep popping up because one of these was for my ABS light for my wheel speed sensor that's jacked up. So we're gonna go ahead and just let it run its course. Cool. All that crap has been gone now. So now, if we turn on my car right here, you'll see, bam, check engine light code is gone. So cool, let's shut that off. And now we're gonna just go to the front and disconnect the battery. Let me put that right there. Go around here, disconnect the batteries. And essentially you could pull just the terminal, but I like to have them both off because I get paranoid for some dumb reason. All right, cool. And I'll catch you guys on the next step. All right, cool. So what you're gonna do is pop out that clip in the back right there. Pull mine out, and you're gonna slide this cover out and over. The best way to do it is to pop your, shoot, give me a sec there. Got all this grime on me. Best way to do it is pull off your door seal for one. So drop your door seal, and then this will just slide over and out. The best way to get this out is honestly to just pull it forward enough, and then just make sure your hood release gets around it, and then there you go. Once it's out of that, it should just slide over. So let's go ahead and oh wait, there we go. Bam. You can disconnect it further from the pillar right up here, but I'm not doing that. Actually, you know what? I might. Nah, I'm lazy. We'll leave it like that. That's fine with me. And cool, this is it. Now you've gotten down here. So next, I'm gonna show you guys some actual instructions. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. It's from Izze itself, from Izze, or whatever you want to call it, from them showing you how to basically cut the wires and splice them. So let me break that in right now. All right guys, so quick change. I did pull the seal and from the door, it's a little clip over, so Inside, it's like kind of like a tab that pulls into this. You just slide it over and out. And I pulled out the seat because if you're tall like me, you're gonna be crunched down there. So essentially, let me show you what we're working with today. All right, guys, so you're gonna have to forgive me. My hand's gonna be hella shaky because I'm holding this with one hand while reading the schematic on the other hand. So we're gonna be up here. I labeled mine right up here. It's 32 and 31, even though it's super ugly to see. So where that blue pin starts is the 31 side, and where the rest is basically 32p. So essentially right here, that corner, right here, that's your ground bolt. And then on this harness up here, the 32p, you're gonna be pulling pins from. So essentially the black piece with like the opening to it, the freaking I forgot what it's called, I'll show you guys in a second. The black wire is going to be bolted down right there, so that's simple. On this 31 side, so you're going to go across. So you see right up here where we're at the top of the, give me a sec actually. Shoot, give me a sec, guys. Sorry, it's very hard to do this. So see right up here, see that red wire? That's the second spot already, because you know you can count across 1, 2, 3, 4. So that second wire right there, that red one, we're gonna splice into that one with our, let me see here. So we're gonna splice into that one with our red one. Oops, fell backward. So as you can see, our red one's gonna tap into that, or no, sorry, our orange one's tapping into that. So our orange one's tapping into that one, and then our blue one is gonna tap into the same 32 side, and we're gonna go for the 28 spot. So if we read from the bottom, the 28th one's gonna be, gonna be that blue wire regardless, right? Yeah, it's gonna be the 28th spot. So I could, in this case, I would just read across 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, and go down 3, and you're on the 28th pin. Is this correct? Yep. So shoot, sorry. All right, so see there's 6, and then 6, go down 3, and you're at 28. So in this case, we're gonna go black wire here for the ground, cut that one, and splice the second one. And then that other red you see right here, trace that one down 3, and then splice your blue wire into that. So orange into this, orange is gonna be into the second one right here, the second red wire. And then go to that 6th red wire and go down 3, and then take that blue one and tap in your blue one. And that's what I'm showing you. That's right now, that's where it's at. So get those done. I'll do mine in a second, and I'll show you guys. All right, what's up, guys and girls? So I'm back. As you can see, I fucked up. This is actually supposed to be a tap. So stretch these out. I used the 20 to 22, and I cut a slit in both the red and the blue from the back. And you're supposed to tap the orange one and the other blue one into this one. The orange one goes into this one. The blue one goes into this one. Then your ground is up there, and then right down here, see this one? This one I'm gonna pop this off because it's a lot easier when you take it out. And then you're gonna slit yourself into that white, on that white one right here. This is the 10th spot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slit and tap our red one into that one. So our red one will go into this white one. Our orange one is up there. Our blue one is right here into the blue. So blue into blue, orange into the red, white into the red. And then your ground, as I mentioned, is up there. And then the thing is, on the 31 side right up there, you're gonna go for the white and black wire, and that's where you're gonna cut the white and black wire. So it's here, it's the white and black wire. You're gonna cut it. Let me check real quick if it's on there. Yeah, it is 24 at the bottom. So essentially, yeah, it would be down here, the 24 at the bottom. You're gonna cut that wire, and you're actually just gonna splice it. Not even splice, yeah, basically splice it. You're gonna just take your end and the other end and merge them. Versus on these, you can't break the connection. On the other one, on that white one over there, you can break the connection, the white and black one. So one last time, blue to blue, red to orange, white to red, and then cut that one and merge it with the white, and then the black ground wire is right up there. All right, guys, so we're back. If you guys can't see, everything's kind of like a mess, but here we go. So the red is here to the orange, the blue to the blue,
this one you cut. So the black and white stripe to the white, and this is actually like cut. These were just like, I cut slits in them and I tied the wire around it. Same for this white to red down here. After this, all you're gonna wanna do is grab this black piece, jam it back here behind this, and then put the bolt in front of it, and then zip tie everything up. And if you did this right, you should not get an error code. If you do get the error code, delete the error code. After you put your battery back on, delete the error code and drive around for a little bit. If you get a code after this, it basically just means that one of your wires isn't really like solidly held, like attached down, like, you know, it's loose. So double check everything. You could solder this. Personally, I wouldn't solder down here because I am too freaking tall to be down here with something that hot and limited mobility. So I would probably throw that I'd probably have solder on my face, honestly. But nonetheless, this is pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna wire this shit up and I'm gonna start the car and see if we live to see another day or if we're gonna get finessed.
All right, guys, so let me get back to it today. So I wired everything up last night and I got the check engine code on still, and it was 415, I believe, which is a low power. And I didn't know what that was. So last night when I was doing this, I finished it and I got the low power signal, and I was like, why am I getting low power? Essentially, my red cable to the white cable came undone, so I was getting the check engine light. But now, oh no, not this crap again. But alright, so my key and the tumbler is kind of screwed up right now, so please do excuse. But as you guys will see in a second here, I basically redid the wire, and there we go. Oh shoot, car was on. It's okay. As you guys can see, check engine light is gone. So there you go. And it's all because I had that wire come loose on me down here. If you guys can see, it's barely held on right now. So I'm pretty sure if I pull the wire back, the check engine light will come on. So oh, maybe not. Might take a second. Yeah, but regardless, I got it to go away, so I guess that counts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just make sure all that stuff is actually powered on, because when I put the cable on, it did come loose. So that was the issue. But thanks a lot, guys.